Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from oishudu.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can integrate Zoom in MasterStudy LMS. Zoom integration in the MasterStudy LMS allow instructor to conduct live online classes and webinars directly from their LMS website. It provides seamless learning experience by enabling students to join session from their course dashboard, interact with the instructor in real time, participate in the discussion and attend live workshop. This integration helps improve student engagement, simplifies course management, support multiple instructor, and it is ideal for online school, coaching business, corporate training and educational platforms. Overall, it combines the power of live teaching with the convenience of a complete LMS solution. In this video tutorial, first of all, I'll teach you how to enable this Zoom conference add-on in the MasterStudy. After that, I'll teach you how you can create credential in Zoom developer dashboard. After that, I'll teach you how you can add those credential in the MasterStudy LMS settings. Then I'll teach you how you can integrate Zoom meeting. As you can see here, I already integrated Zoom meeting here. I'll teach you how you can integrate Zoom meeting in your MasterStudy LMS course. Also, I'll teach you how any student can easily join in the Zoom meeting from their browser or via Zoom app. So let's start. So that is my WordPress dashboard, and here I successfully installed MasterStudy and MasterStudy Pro Plus plugin. As you can see here in my plugin session, I already successfully installed MasterStudy and MasterStudy Pro plugin because this Zoom integration available only for the MasterStudy Pro user. So after installing MasterStudy and MasterStudy Pro plugin, you have to enable the add-on. For enabling the add-on, hover on the MasterStudy and here you can see Pro add-on. Just click on that. Now from here scroll down, you can see Zoom conference add-on. You have to enable that. Once you successfully enable that, you have to come to the settings option. So here you can see the settings. Just click on that. So now from here you have to click in the courses, and inside the course you can find the Zoom option. Just click on that. So now here you can see it asking lot of API credential. So now I have to create them. Here you can see one option is there, guide. Okay, just click on that. This page will open. Now from here open this link in a new tab. So that is the Zoom API Marketplace dashboard. Okay. So now from here, first of all, you have to log in. I already successfully logged in, so I'm not going to do it again. So from here, you can see this developer option is there. Hover on that, and after that, I have to click in the build app. And first of all, I have to create the server to server WAT app. Click on that. After that, I have to click in the create option. Now I have to give the name for this app. Suppose I'm giving the name as MasterStudy 2. After that, let me click in the create option. This page will come. So now from here, no need to change anything. Okay. Just click in the continue option. Now from here, if you want to change the app name, you can do that. After that, I have to add a short description about the app. Suppose I am giving the description as Zoom integration in the MasterStudy LMS. After that, company name. My company name is Web SEO Tips. Next, it asking to enter the name. So let me enter my name, and after that, let me enter my email ID here. Okay. So once done, you have to click in the continue option. If you need any kind of help, then directly you can come here. Here, everything is explained in the step-by-step manner. Okay. So as you can see here, it's telling to add the application name, and after that, click in the continue option. And it asking to fill all the information like app name, company name, etc, etc. So after that, it's telling directly skip the feature. Okay. So let me skip it by clicking the continue option. So now I have to add some scope. If you come to this page, it clearly explains which scope I have to add. As you can see here, for the account, I have to add these scopes. Okay. So for adding this scope, what I have to do? So as you can see here, something is inside the bracket. Just copy that text and come back here. And here you have to click in the add scope option. And here in the search option, just paste it. So now something is coming here. Select that option. And after that, you have to click in the done. Similarly, for this one also, just copy that, come back here, click in the add scope and paste it here. And whatever comes, just select and click in the done option. And you have to carefully add all the scope, because if you skip any one, then this Zoom integration will not work properly. So now let me add all the scope for the account in the similar process. So as you can see here, I already added all the scope for the account. Now I have to add the scope for the meeting. The process is similar. Just copy, come back here, click in the add scope, paste it here, select that and click in the done. In similar manner, let me add all the scope for the meeting also. So now I have to add the scope for the users in the same process. So in similar manner, let me add the scope for the Zoom events. So now I have to add the scope for the webinars. Now let me add the scope for the reports also. So after that, when you add all the scope, just come back here, scroll down and here you can see the continue option. Click on that. And after that, you have to click in the activate your app. So now you can see my app is successfully activated. So now what I have to do, I have to again come back to the app credential option. Now from here, I have to copy this account ID, come back here in the settings and here you can see the account ID, paste it here. After that, I need this client ID, copy it, come back here, paste it here. After that, I need this secret key, copy it, come back here and paste it here. Okay. So next, click in the save settings. So after that, I have to create this meeting SDK app. Okay. So again, come back here. Now from this drop down, again, click in the build app and here you can see this general app. Click on that. After that, I have to click in the create option. So this page will open. Now from here, I have to choose admin manage. After that, I have to click in the save option. So after that, scroll down. So here you can see OAuth redirect URL. So that is actually nothing but your website basic information page. Okay. It's telling the wrong URL because that is not my original site. Just I put some dummy link. Okay. But you have to enter your basic information page URL here. Okay. So next you have to click in the continue option. Here nothing to do anything. Click in the continue. Here also click in the continue. Now from here you have to enable this meeting SDK. Okay. And from here scroll down, click in the continue option. Here also click on the continue option. Even here also click in the continue. And here in the add scope, actually you have to add one scope. Let me come this page. So here you found there is a scope. Okay. Just copy that, come back here, add scope, paste it here, select that. And after that, you have to click in the done. So next, directly here you can see the client ID. Copy that, come back here, paste it here. After that, here you can see the client secret. Copy, come back here and paste it here. Generate password. It will automatically generate the password if the meeting or webinars password field is empty. You can enable that. It's up to you. Okay. Then after that you have to click in the save settings option. So after that actually I want to teach you how you can integrate Zoom meeting in your course. In my previous video I already teach you how to create the course and how to create entire website by using MasterStudy LMS theme. Okay, that video link you can see in the I button or in the video description also I'll give the link. So from there you can please check out. So after that let me come back to the courses. Here in this video I am not going to teach you again how to create the courses because I already teach you in my previous video. So just go to that link and watch that video so you can easily learn everything how to create the courses and everything there. Suppose that is a course. Let me open the course. So now suppose I want to integrate a Zoom meeting in that course. How to create session, how to create lesson I already discussed in my previous video. Please watch that. Okay. So now in this video I am teaching you how to add a Zoom meeting in the course. So for that you have to click in the add lesson option and here you can see Zoom lesson option is there. Just click on that. And in the top you have to enter the Zoom lesson name. I am giving Zoom 1. Okay. After that meeting password. If you want to enter the password then you can enter, else you can left it empty also, because if you left it empty then it will automatically create a password. Suppose I am giving the password here. After that Zoom meeting starting date. Suppose this meeting will be started from July 2nd and the timing. Which time the meeting will be start. Suppose this meeting will be start in 10 a.m. Okay. After that lesson duration, suppose 1 hour 30 minutes. That is very important. Time zone. So I am from India, so that will be GMT plus 5:30. Okay. Here you can see this Mumbai, Kolkata, New Delhi, this one. Okay. After that, whatever option you want to enable, you can do that. Allow participant to join anytime. Yes. Host video. Whatever the option you want, you can enable. This lesson preview, don't enable that one, because if you enable that one, then without enrolling or without buying the course also anyone can take the lesson. So don't enable that. Next, if you want to add any short description for the lesson, always you can do that. If you want to add some lesson content, you can give that. Even if you want to give some material for this Zoom meeting, always you can do that also. You have to click in the browse file, and from there, suppose that is a PDF file, I want to give this as a material. Okay. So you can upload like that. So after that, you have to click in the create option. So in this way, you can integrate Zoom meeting in your course. Okay. So as you can see here, Zoom meeting already successfully created. So now from here directly click in the view option to check the course. So that is my course. So as you can see here in the curriculum, if you come, you can see the Zoom meeting is there. Just click on that to check Zoom meeting is working or not. So here the Zoom meeting title is showing here. After when the meeting will start, that is also showing here. After the meeting date, after that if you want to add this Zoom meeting in your Google Calendar, then by clicking here you can easily do that. And Zoom meeting password also showing here. So that is the meeting description, and that is the about meeting session, and that is the lesson material. By clicking in the download option, you can easily download this material. Okay. So now let me click in the join in Zoom app. So this page will open. So from here, if you want to join Zoom meeting via Zoom app, then you can click in this one. And if you want to join the meeting via browser, you can do that also. So for that, you have to just click in the join from browser. This page will open. As you can see, meeting will start soon. So as you can see, I successfully joined in the meeting. Okay. And for ending the Zoom meeting, you have to click in the end option. And here you can see the end meeting for all. So click there. So meeting will be ended for you. So hope you understand how you can easily integrate Zoom meeting in the MasterStudy LMS. If you have any kind of doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section. And if you have any kind of WordPress related project, then always you can contact with me this WhatsApp number or with this mail ID. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, then please like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest notification about this kind of professional video. Thank you. Have a nice day.